InStream is a live streaming classroom review that can be attended from any place that has internet access. InStream has a lot in common with our in-classroom live review. They are both 3-day reviews. The lecture topics are identical. And of course, the famous Hurst student workbook, your NCLEX study guide, is exactly the same. In the live classroom, the interaction with the instructor and your peers is face-to-face. But in the InStream review, students get to talk, ask questions, and collaborate with each other and the instructor in the chat box.
Mary has a great question. How can heart failure throw you into fluid volume excess? Well, here at Hurst Review, we know.
We have an entire InStream team at Hurst Review just for you, the InStream student. We will cover all the content you will need to pass NCLEX the first time, and we will have a good time while doing it. We are aware that an online student is more likely to have distractions around them. We work very hard to keep you focused and learning, and we have been very successful at this. Our most recent pass rate at Hurst Review is 98.6%. Classes are available almost every week.